Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. And see, again I'm here to teach you SST Standard 3. So we are talking about the government, that like at home we have parents who take care of us. They make rules for us that we have to follow at home. Exactly at the same things in school. Their teacher are there who look after all the students. In fact, we have to follow some rules also. So like for our country also, who take care of us and makes rules for us that we have to follow, that is our government. And in world we have two types of government: monarchy and democracy. Monarchy is some countries which are ruled by kings and queens, so that type of government is called monarchy. And the countries like India, which do not have king and queens, and where the government of India is chosen by its people of that country, that type of government is called a democracy. So in fact, in India, the people of India, they chosen the government by voting for their leaders in elections, and after that their votes are counted, and the leaders who get the most votes, they form the government, and we have to follow that which government has made the rules, and they have to take care of all the citizens. Next, we are talking about the three basic roles of the government. The first is to make laws for everyone to follow. Second, to make sure that these laws are followed. And third, to punish those who break these laws. So there are three basic rules that the government has made. The first of all, to make laws for everyone to follow, all the citizens of the people to make some law that we have to follow. Second is to make sure that these laws are followed. So we have to the main some people is there, police or maybe some government services are there, who just make sure that all the laws which government has passed, that they are followed by the people or not. Third is to punish those who break these rules. So to the punish who just break the rules which government has told to follow, those who have not followed that rules, so they have to what? They have to punish for breaking the rules. Next, functions of the government. Apart from making laws, the government performs a wide variety of functions which help us to lead a safe and comfortable life. Apart from the laws, that to follow that rules, to who has not followed or not, who is punished, that who break the laws. Apart from that, the government is what? They just made some various rules that it helps us to be a safe and comfortable life for all the people of that country. First is, it maintains law and order and looks after our safety. First of all, the government is what? They make the law and order, and they look that the citizens are safe or not. Second is, it protects the country from foreign attacks. In fact, the government is what? It protects us, all the people, from the foreigner attacks from other countries. They cannot attack, the enemies attack in our country. So for that, they also protect us from these all things. Third is, it looks after the basic needs of the citizens: food, water, electricity, etc. The government is what? They look the basic needs of all citizens in our country, about the food, which the food is not provided, that we have some free food is there, free food meal is there, then water, free electricity is there, and different etc is there, many more things is there which government has provides for all the citizens. Next is, it builds and looks after important public facilities for all citizens, like schools, colleges, libraries, hospitals, parks, roads, railway lines, etc. After that, the government, they builds and they looked after that all the publics, they have the facilities for all the citizens or not. The first of all, the school, the government school, the poor people, they can go. In fact, in school also they can get the free meals, free cloth also. In fact, cycles are there, different types of that good things is there which helps us for the poor peoples. So that's why the government has made these all things for the to help the peoples, to give the facilities for all the citizens. Next, colleges, the government colleges there, it provides to go and to take knowledge from the country, some degree from the country, so that they can go out and they can earn money. Then libraries are there, hospitals is there, then parks is there, roads and railway lines, etc. Different types of facilities is there which government has looks and they build for the people of the citizens. Next, in fact, it builds friendly relations with other countries. So the government is what it they build the friendship relations with the other countries, so that they will not attack. If some countries will attack, then the friends, they all will come together and then they will fight with the other countries. So that's why the government, they just make the friendly relations with the other countries to save for all the peoples of that countries. Next, it looks after our national wealth, monuments, forests, wildlife, rivers, etc. The government, they take care of our national wealth also, like the monuments, the forests, they protect the animals, wildlife also, they protect some wildlife animals, the rivers, so that we should not make waste dirt also, and etc. Different types of is there which government has give the facilities for all the people of the country. Next is, it look after the wealth of the country and makes rules for the work and business. The government is what they just look for the wealth, the good of the country, and then makes the rules for the work and business, and we have to follow that all rules. Next is, in case of natural disasters such as the floods, earthquakes, or man-made disasters such as terrorist attacks, the government looks after the affected people. If the natural cases is there, natural disaster like the floods, the earthquakes, or maybe the man-made disasters like the enemies come and the terrorist attacks, for all the responsibility, the government look after all the affected people due to natural disaster or due to the man-made disaster. The government, they take all the responsibility for all the people of that they affected that due to these natural disasters or man-made. Next, it provides them with food, clothes and temporary shelters and medical aid. In fact, if the natural disaster is there or maybe man disaster, the government provides what? The government provides them the food to eat, the clothes to wear, and the temporary shelters where they can stay. In fact, a medical also, like some they are suffering from something diseases, so they provide for all these facilities where these affected by the terrorist attacks or by the natural disasters. The government, what? They just looked all the facilities for all the citizens, and then they help all the people who needs help. It also rebuilds the affected area. After that, it also rebuild make again the affected areas. They make the like houses for the people who just destroyed in natural disaster or maybe in man-made disasters. Now, level of the country government, there are three level of governments in India: the central government, the state government, and the local government, self-government. That we will see in the next classes tomorrow. Till that, please read the book and please read the back chapter also. In fact, you can read the next topic also, the level of the governments. Please take care of yourself, your family, and stay at home. Do not go outside. Complete your all homework in good handwriting, and please follow all the guidelines and eat healthy. Stay happy at home. Do not interact with other person. Till that, again I will back to teach you the next topic, the level of the country government. You should also read the chapter. Take care of yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day and bye bye.